driving the 2012 Ford Focus S with the TB Performance gusset traction bar that goes in 4 points under the car from the A-arms back. Works really good. It definitely keeps the wheels flatter on the ground and around corners under acceleration. So with a Steeda anti-sway bar and TB Performance parts, you can really make your Focus go. It stays in corners so good now. Well worth the investment to get what you need to make your Focus work better. Alright, that's all for now. It's in and working. I had to do a lot of work to get it, in there. I had to bend it basically to get it in, to get the AC compressor to go in. So I had to bend the frame of that TB Performance piece. But he's cool with that. The guy that made it, he wants to make some adjustments and make one for AC and one for not. Take care.